So if you guys would like to know more details about this hair and also receive the link and everything, make sure you stay tuned. Keep watching all the way to the end. See you guys.
I don't need nobody else but me. It doesn't matter what you're gonna say. I just need time right now. I'm going alone tonight.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, I'm Cinn, and welcome to my channel. And in today's video, you guys, we're going to be reviewing this wig right here. It is a curly bob wig with the whole kinky curly hairline. We're gonna get into all of that coming up. It is from the brand, I forgot the name, but we're gonna talk about everything coming up. I just kind of wanted to do like a intro kind of sort of, because when I pop on the camera, it's just gonna be a wig cap, so I ain't want to scare y'all like that. But yeah, so this is the wig after being washed, conditioned, knots bleached, installed, and everything. So if you guys would like to know more details about this hair and also receive the link and everything, make sure you stay tuned. Keep watching all the way to the end. See you guys. So everything that had came in the bag, it had came in this hair bag, just a generic hair bag, and then, which I appreciate, it came with some HD wig caps. They are super thin, super thin. Like the wig caps that I sell, they're not this thin, but I feel like this is good for like a super beginner when they're trying to do like ball caps. Like me, I don't give a fuck about like this is my HD wig caps that I sell. Ooh, excuse me. As you can see, you can barely even see this. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what was in the bag. I got a wig to show y'all. Of course, I am going to read the specs. What the hell? Read the specs for you guys. So this is, let me show it to you. So this is the Kinky Curly Edged Short Bob Human Hair Wig. It's 13 by 4 lace, 16 inches, 180% density, and in total it was $59.09, which is insane because this is a extremely better wig than another wig that I got, and I paid like 70 bucks for it, so that's insane. But yeah, so this is the wig and the brand that it is from. It's from Royce Official Store, and this wig came, when I tell you it came in like 2-3 days, it came in 2-3 days. It was not planned. So this is what she looked like. She's freshly washed, conditioned, I bleached her knots, all of that. But these are the edges that they was talking about, like the curly edges. Only thing that concerns me with this wig is the fact that the lace is like a yellowish tint. But I'm about to try the wig on. It also, this is the inside of the wig. So it also comes with a strap, strap and combs and stuff, and then the back lace. Okay, she's giving. And then I feel like with having those like, oh gosh, I need to cut this lace off. With having like those little curly edges, it's gonna help with like not having to do baby hair. But she's super cute. So yeah, she's getting put on today, and I'm honestly not going to install her in this video, only because I have quite a few install videos and I'm not in a place to like do an install video right now. So like I'm just let those speak for me. I will have like my main how-to link down below. But yeah, I feel like she's about to give. She's about to eat, baby. Okay, so I'll be back once she's installed and I'll tell y'all about the install process. Okay, y'all, so I've done like showered and everything. So the hair is a little wet from me being in the shower. I feel like that just kind of gives it a really natural look. But we're going to take it off so we can see the lace. Because y'all, my biggest fear with this is like because of the color of the lace. So let's see. And it's giving pretty natural. So I'm about to part it how I want to. I want a side part. It's like a bob. the curly bob. So I'm gonna come back after I parted and stuff, but y'all can see like the little baby hairs in the front. So yeah, I'm about to do my part, probably add a little product to the curls, and then once it's fully dry and stuff, I'll come back to let you guys see the final look. All right guys, so this is the wig dry, and like I said, it's a 16-inch bob. I like it. I'm probably gonna go through and hot comb at the roots just a little bit, but just so you guys can see like the baby hairline, I'm gonna go through and kind of, you know, help fix the lace at the hairline a little bit. Cause like I said, it was a yellowish tint lace. It's not nothing that you can't work with, but at the same time, it's like, that's my first time ever seeing lace that color. But other than that, really, for the price, I feel like this is a nice wig. It's very light. It's very like fun and flirty. I like it. It's not too much hair, and this is hot right now, so like it's still kind of hot having hair on my neck, but it's not as hot as having like 30 inches of hair on my neck. So I like it so far. I don't know if I'm gonna actually do like baby hair with the edges or just leave them nappy looking, just to kind of help with the illusion of like this is my hair. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully I will see you guys in my next one. This is Cinn signing off. Peace.